Good morning, guys. What's going on? What's happening? Welcome to another video of Ride with Raj, and I'm in my hotel room. Yes, I had a little bit of a nap, and if you notice, that girl's wearing my backpack. That girl's wearing my backpack. That backpack was supposed to be in my room last night, but I think it went in the other hotel. I didn't have any clothes, and I could not step out in since morning. It's 7 o'clock. I thought I'll sleep till afternoon. I don't know what happened. I just got up early, but I think that's because we're used to of now getting up early. Well, I don't know how this day winds up. Let's see. The foreigner who gave me the waterproof socks, I've given them for dry cleaning now. Once I get that back, I'll give it to him. It was nice for him to, share it with me. And now I'll just take a shower and everything, and then have breakfast. Also drying my shoes. See the halat of my shoes. Yeah. And that's the view from my hotel. Those guys are staying in this next hotel one after leaving that hotel. Heading down for breakfast. They have a beautiful garden here as well. So that's actually the conference room, not a temple, but they give it a Ladakh feel, so that's why they have designed it that way. Some people have kept their boots to dry, same as me. This is the garden area, so you can chill here and have your coffee or something. And this is a living lounge. You can sit there, watch TV and chill out. And this is the passage where I came in from, and now I'm going to the dining hall. So this is the breakfast area, and I think they got everything what I need, and omelets too. Whatever said and done, I can't miss this. Pancake with Nutella. That's my bike without the visor, flung off. Having my awesome black coffee. By the way, this hotel is called Hotel Namgyal. Okay, it's in Leh. It's called Hotel Namgyal Palace. You can see that. Yeah, decent hotel. Hot shower is awesome. My first coffee of the day always gets me up when I have it. So, found a terrace of this place, high altitude. The photographer has opened his hair.
He looks cool.
Yeah, he looks really dope, man. Really, really dope. And I'll show you guys a view from here. Check how messy the media guys are. They are less messy than us.
It's not messy,
It's all gear. Yeah, it's spread out. It's all gear. See what's in the cupboard, okay? And all the cameras are hidden here. Khajana, treasure. Okay, so the media guys really helped me. I'm back in my room. Why did I change into a full knit wear again? Free day, right? What should we do? Chill out here or do something else? We're going to Khardungla. Yes. Actually, the contestants are actually going to Khardungla tomorrow because today they have a free day. Unfortunately, I'm flying out tomorrow. So what Rajat and we decided that let's do Khardungla today so that we don't miss it. Actually, the distance is just around 30 or 40 kilometers from Leh. But the thing is, the traffic and the scene goes so bad that sometimes it takes 4 hours to reach. So 4 hours of going, 4 hours coming, 8 hours of continuous ride. So me and Prasanjit are going to grab a coffee at a nice cafe here. We'll be leaving in like 20 minutes for Khardungla. So just having little coffee. Hey, all three together, right?
Yeah.
Raining,
Yeah.
sunny and chilly. All 3 seasons. So all these guys are servicing their vehicles. What's up? We are in the other hotel, man. What's up? Servicing, chilling out. We are going Khardungla.
Tomorrow.
Right now.
You guys will be back today evening, right?
Yes, today evening we'll be back. Yeah, Spotted Lightning 535. My friend has a maroon version. Wow, good to see a cast iron. So that's the Leh Town Cafe we're going at. Fresh brew, very dark, very nice. Okay, so gearing up for the Khardungla ride. Less light. Let's put some more light in. Yeah. That other mask is quite dusty, so I'm wearing my candy skull, which you guys already know. I'm wearing this one. I'm wearing a little thicker stuff. My jacket does have a rain lining, does have a winter lining. It's not that cold right now. The sun is out, but we know top we will feel that, so that hot cold goes on. I'm sure every rider knows that. And now it's time to wear my boots and see you guys on the road. Okay, now I'm in Leh, so I better put my sticker here that I am laid. So I'm putting it here, and too excited to do this. Yeah, looks cool. I'm happy that I have my sticker in Leh Ladakh. Okay, so in one of my vlogs I had mentioned about these covers for the boots, which according to him really worked well, right? It really works. Water did not seep in, and the Royal Enfield covers are rocking, so you guys should get these. Okay, so all geared up. ठीक है. Okay, so we have everything ready. We are completely geared up. I am really excited to stand today because there's no luggage. Oops. Oh boy, what are you doing? That was close call, guys. This guy is dangerous rider. Suddenly stops. So removing the sari guard, got a little loose, but awesome. Can you imagine the whole ride it sustained? And I rode with that, so pretty good. Getting that removed, and that's it. If you've come to Leh Ladakh and if you've not come to Khardungla, you are missing out on something. Not necessarily you have to go there and click a picture. It's nothing about that. The roads are beautiful, and I'll tell you one added advantage. Okay, so last evening we checked into the hotel, right, at Leh. Now when you checked in next morning, you don't have to start early because this is just 40 kilometers, right? So for 40 kilometers you can we left at 1 o'clock in the afternoon. Okay, so if you leave at 1 o'clock in the afternoon, you will surely make it on time, and you are quite fresh because you slept really well. Okay, great breakfast, all right, and very chilled out way we left. It was not in a haste or something like that. And you've come so far, you've come all the way to Leh Ladakh. Why not reach the highest motorable road? And look at this. You guys who are not coming here and just going from Leh, look at this. Look at these roads. Look at this view. You can't miss this for life. I would regret really if I was going back and I would have missed these awesome roads. And I'm glad that I did this ride, because that's why I'm here, to ride. That's the main thing. And just a request. Okay, now let's get a little technical about this motorcycle at such a high altitude. Now the thumb rule is that whenever you're riding uphill, you are always on a low gear with a high motion, right? But this is a long stroke motorcycle, plus it's carbureted, so lack of oxygen gives a lot of jerks. Now if you are on a low gear, I'll just show it to you. I'll just demonstrate it. Okay, so right now I'm on second, which is a decent gear for this much of hill. As you can see, my RPM is perfectly on 4, right? Now see the lag. But if I give it a third, check the pickup, it becomes better. So it's a little bit of opposite rule here on the Himalayan. I'm specifically talking about the Himalayan. Here you have to take it on a higher gear to give it a push, like a throttle response. See, now I'm on third. It's see that? Now if I do it fourth, it'll become better. Now for a lot of people that would be dangerous, that hey man, we don't want to go such a high gear, because then the bike is really in a free motion and it's a little risky, right? And that's where your brake control is in place. Please do not use rear brakes a lot. Even if you're using the disc brakes, what I do is I give a jerk motion. I do this, you see that? I don't completely squeeze it. I don't use emergency braking on uphill or downhill, because you might crash. So just be careful, friends, there, and just go smooth. See, I am right now third. We are 4 of them. The last person who was riding is a little left behind, but it's okay. You go easy and enjoy this. It's not necessary you have to go hard, because I am here to enjoy the ride, right? Okay, so another check post, and if I am not mistaken, Khardungla is what, I think around 18 kilometers? 16. Oh, okay. हाँ नहीं करेगा, बहुत high altitude है यार. We are at very high altitude and it's carbureted. So Look at Rajat. Okay. जाएगी जाएगी यार. 4th पे 5th पे हायर गियर पे करेंगे. उल्टा थे रही है. हाँ
टेम्पो बना
उल्टा है इसमें. देखो मैं बोला ना मोशन कम गियर पे अपन रेव करते हैं ना, वो मत कर, उल्टा कर. 4th पे आके मोशन बना एंड जर्क इट. दैट्स व्हाट आई एम डूइंग. बट यस इट इज डेफिनेटली
गाड़ी का तो टाइम है.
गिविंग लॉट ऑफ
ऊपर पूरा लंबा करा, गाड़ियों का जाम लगा हुआ है.
ओह शिट.
मैंने कहा गाड़ी को मैं तेज करके साउथ पुल पे रोक लूंगा.
ओके
अगर हमें जरूरत पड़ी तो हम बुला लेंगे.
ओके.
नहीं तो अपन आराम से जा रहे हैं, मुझे लगता नहीं अपने जरूरत पड़ेगी.
So we'll stay here or we'll go?
We are moving,
right? Okay. He cannot use a walkie-talkie from now because this comes under J&K securities. So he cannot. Oh, my visor is completely getting fogged out. It's really chilly, friends. Obviously, what do you expect? By the way, we are going ahead. The service van is a little slow. Obviously, look at this. This is quite a uphill. We are going above 18,000 feet. Okay, I have my first puncture. Okay guys, my first puncture. Service van is 1 hour away and first flat. Yep, I have a puncture and there's nobody. I'm abandoned. Okay, anyone coming? Oh shit. Okay, I'll have to wait for the service van. I expected. Good, we took a service vehicle with us. Okay, I didn't know he was behind me. Good, he's here. Puncture!
Oh fuck!
Just like 17. Hey, that's our service van? No. Fortunately, अपनी service van 15 मिनट दूर ही है and mechanic भी है ही. एक काम कर सकते हो. You can go up and you meet them. Yeah, you meet them and tell them मेरा पंचर हो गया है. एंड आप हो आए हो, मैं अपना ठीक करवा के आऊँगा. पता नहीं वो सर्विस वैन पे फ़ोन भी कर देगा रजत को.
मेरा टायर सही लग रहा है बिकॉज़ मुझे किसकी हुआ तो.
हाँ, मेरे को लग रहा है आपका हवा कम है. मैंने ऐसे इन्फॉर्म भी किया आपको. आई
वहाँ पे स्किड हुआ और मुझे कुछ अनकंफर्टेबल लग रहा है.
आई थिंक योर या सी इट. आई थिंक देयर इज लेस बट ही हैज एयर पंप. डोंट वरी, है ना, चलेगा.
और क्या ना, छोटे बाइक.
अरे नहीं मैं बैठ जाऊंगा बैग के साथ भी चलेगा. ओके गाइस, सो ही इज विथ मी and he is so cool. He told me let's go Pillion, at least we can go to Khardungla and come back. Bye sweetheart, you'll be repaired, don't worry. Thanks buddy. See, this is what brotherhood is all about.
It's snowing guys.
It's snowing guys, look at this. It's snowing. My first snowfall. Oh my god, look at this.
मत यहाँ पे मत चलना.
नहीं मैं आराम से हूँ, मैं आराम से. I'm not नहीं निकल पाओगे ब्रो, गाड़ियाँ आ रही है. मैं आई एम फाइन डोंट वरी. इट्स स्नोइंग, इट्स स्नोफॉल. वाओ. So guys, snowfall, for first witness of snowfall, didn't expect. You can see that is all snow. I won't remove my camera phone for recording. I have no choice. Look at this beautiful thing. Usually I should not get down of the bike. Look at the amount of snacks this guy is carrying. And that peak on the right hand side is Khardungla. Okay, so I had to get down on the bike because it was quite a rough terrain, and we heard that there is a 8-kilometer jam. Huge jam. Are you sure you'll be able to? हाँ ठीक है. So off-roading mode, double seated. I am Pillion, and off-roading mode must be really challenging for him. But yeah, and plus high altitude, so we're gonna be in extreme climate, worst condition of roads, you name it. Oh. Okay. I think from right. You want me to walk? Okay, cool. I'll get down. Go. Okay, so there's water passing time. Oh, not that much. Okay, easy, easy. Need a push? Go. Yeah. Got it. ये चढ़ लो. Okay, a little difficult breathing because I pushed that bike real hard. Okay, let's go. We meet again. Damn, just a little push and you get out of breath.
हम निकल आए.
हाँ निकल आए. Oh God, look at that. Look at that jam. Okay.
I don't want to break.
Yeah. Ooh, ooh. You. You. Wow. This is the best ride of my life. Seriously, look at that, guys. Look at that. All jammed. So, and that's why I have a sneaker bar with me to keep my sugar level up. I kept one extra in my pocket, and a little water will be cool. Okay, guys, I am at the highest motorable road in the world called Khardungla. I made it, guys. It was not easy, honestly. People who made it so far are proud of themselves, and I feel proud too. And yeah, this is a milestone. Everyone's around here taking pictures, and the Himalayans there as well. You can see that. Well, this is it. Achieved it. Felt really good. I don't know, something's different. People tell me not to stay more at high altitude, but whenever I am at a rest position, I feel better. I think my body has really accommodated, and I have discovered that I'm an Iceman. Anyways, I think we'll head now. Where's that guy gone? Yeah, he's taken his bike. So now we are descending, and see you guys down. This is a snow area where people like to play and take a couple of good shots. Okay guys, Himalayans gone. CBR 1000 Honda. Oh shit, you guys are gonna hate me for this shit, but I wanted to be up, you know, so I'm doing anything crazy. Well, it was fun doing that, by the way. That's like my dream, you know, to ride a 10R like that. Kawasaki 10R, obviously everyone knows the Ninja 10R, or a 14R. 14R would be too heavy for me for these roads. 10R with Acroprovic exhaust on this road. Boom, 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 boom. Oh boy, that would be crazy, man. I wish I can ship that only for this patch. Oh, beautiful. Great fun. Showered twice in one day. Actually did from Leh to Khardungla and back in 4 hours, including the puncture and the basic things what you guys saw. Amazing experience. Really worth it. I'm glad I went up. Otherwise, this trip would have been not complete without reaching Khardungla. I'm not exaggerating. It's not that it's like there's some monument there or something like that, but the feeling when you reach there that you have reached the highest motorable road in the world is epic. That really feels, you feel proud. You really feel proud, and it was amazing. And the people who could not make it, no worries. It's not a race. It's not something to achieve. So it was pretty sorted with that. And now I'm heading out to eat something because I'm starving, and it's 5 in the evening or something. So let's go out. Let's go to the market. Guys, remember that I had taken those waterproof socks from that foreigner. Alright, his Indian name is Rohan. Well, I have dry cleaned it for him because it's not good to take such things and give it like that, obviously. So I've dry cleaned now. I'm happy to give him back and I'll thank him too. Right, 37,000 people, my army, Ride with Raj. Meet Rajat.
Hi.
Very camera shy. It took me a lot of efforts to get him on this, and he's the one who's taking care of everything for the ride and everything. If you can.
We are Royal Enfield. We are here. We are a small team. We are working. We brought in the Himalayan Odyssey this year, 2017. It's going good. Tomorrow we're going to do K-Top Khardungla, and we're climbing. In fact, descending to Nubra. So yeah, the ride is still on. Keep following with him.
Can you imagine? He took us to Khardungla, and now tomorrow again he'll take the other team. Hats off. All right. Thanks a lot. Place is called Lechen. You can see that. That's been suggested by someone, so I'm going there to eat something. How's this place? Good? Yeah, so going there and checking it out. We are here now. Great place. Started with French fries, having much behind a starter and then exploring another place and celebrating. Garlic naan, chicken malai tikka, salad and some green chutney, beer and French fries. Amazing. So all these houses which we are around, actually there's some 300-500 rupees a day kind of stay.
Rupees,
Yeah, they're homestays. And very narrow lanes. Look how we got the bike in. So, but it's so old school and so nice. But it's very cold. And I'm wearing flip-flops. It's very nice. Guys, that's a room. That's literally a room to stay. See, very nice, cute. Oops. So all these houses are cheaper if you're on a low budget. If you're coming solo riding or something to Ladakh, rather live here. Peaceful, very nice. Not the commercial places. This is better. 300 bucks a day. That includes water, bed, everything. It's very chilly. I don't think so you'll ever need AC here. Yeah, so these are all rooms basically. You can take these rooms and they're all over, all over. Any direction we move, you see that? They're all around. So Prasanjit got me here. He stayed here last time. It's called Chand Spa. Okay? Yeah, you guys can see that. So if you are a budget traveler planning to do solo ride and stuff like that, come here, stay. You get all the facilities what you need. Come to this place. This is the place. It's called Gomang Guest House. You can even Google it. A lot of foreigners love to stay here because very calm and peaceful. And we asked him, it was initially 300 rupees per night, but now it's 500 rupees. In that they give you water, hot shower, everything. So even in the city, we can find these spots. You can see behind me. This is exactly near that place. This flows and look at that. Beautiful, right? Done? So this is Shanti Stupa Monastery, which I'll show you. This is the place before that and this view is fantastic. Imagine the time lapse here. Next level. And that's the Shanti Stupa. Of cafes around. Stopped by at a local shop. You guys know my favorite drink, Rani pineapple.
Hey, is this nice?
Yeah, I love it.
एक मेरे को भी देना.
Their orange is also good for vitamin C, and I like the pineapple. Wow, it's such a cute shop. So why I stopped at the guitar shop is I wanted the small guitar, but he doesn't have the 6-string ones, so I can't buy. Price is fine. He's giving for 4,000. So, but missing the 6-string. This is Ladakh spraying beats. If you come here, you should buy. It's very nice, and this shop is very good. It's got all this stuff. I was just actually in the store, Ladakh, and looking for t-shirts, and I came to the shop, and guess whom I see? Zup. He's my subscriber, and he is riding. I mean, he's finished K2K. He just did that on Royal Enfield 350 Thunderbird, and he's done Bhutan last year. And he watches my channel now.
Yeah, do subscribe.
And that's his wife. She flew down. Obviously, Pillion is not right.
My name is Surya. I'm from Andhra Pradesh, Visakhapatnam.
And he just finished Kashmir to Kanyakumari ride, Kanyakumari to Kashmir,
yeah.
And now he's completed his ride, and now he's shopping,
Yeah.
and I don't know how he's gonna go back home.
Yeah, I'm going.
My ride is over. I'm leaving tomorrow morning.
I'm actually planning to go back to my home on bike.
Yeah.
But then again, at 25th, I have to reach my place.
Okay,
So-
where are you from exactly?
Vizag.
Vizag. Okay, he's from Vizag, and he's gonna head back. So I'm proud of him, and I'm happy that he's my subscriber. So good to meet him.
It was
All
nice
right.
meeting you.
We are back in the room, and there's something. Okay, my new earrings. We're back in the room, and I wanted to show you guys something crazy. Okay, we had a TMT test before this ride. In the TMT test, they actually put around 10 patches. Those patches have sensors which measure our cardiac reaction to basically treadmills and everything. So for that, we have to shave our chest. Otherwise, when they remove that, it really hurts. It's like a wax strip. So when they tried it on me, they tried on me, I didn't have much of hair, so they said it's fine, it'll work out. But Prasanjit had to shave his chest. But what happens? The guy comes to shave his chest, and see this.
Just the chest.
They shave his chest.
Yeah.
But they don't shave his stomach. That's so crazy.
Okay, I'm a poodle here and a gorilla here.
He's a poodle here and a gorilla here. So imagine if a girl ever likes to see him unbuttoning, he'll be very happy on top and niche it should be like a jungle. So I thought I'll show you guys this is what we go through.
So be prepared for TMT.
Be prepared for TMT. Make sure that your hair are trimmed. Otherwise you'll be like this. Okay, saying bye to my 78. Remember this number. Bye bye. Thanks for keeping me safe all the while. And who was riding next, take care of that rider. Adios. Alright, I found my subscribers in Ladakh. That's crazy. And
I'm Madan. We are from Chennai actually.
oh, sorry, they're from Chennai. You said Tamil Nadu, Chennai. So they're from Chennai. They all have done their ride, right?
Yeah.
They've done Khadungla and everything.
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
So they've done Khadungla and they are heading tomorrow back.
Yeah.
So they're all heading tomorrow, and they were in the market. They just caught me. They busted me chilling here, and I'm gonna grab some food and chill out and have some fun. But it's good to catch up with these guys. Happy riders, happy thumpers. All the way, right?
Yeah.
All right. Okay, so that's Thulle. See this face. Remember this when you come to Ladakh. He provides motorcycles on rent. I'll put the details in the description of today's video. So if you guys need any service, any support for Royal Enfield or any other motorcycle, he's here to support because all these guys are very happy with it. All right, that was cool, man. Wow, Dhaba style place. We are at Hotel Ibex Bar. Cheap beer, cheap food.